Congratulations, you guys have been
Thank you
doing so
much.
well. 10
Thank
साल हो गए फैन की इंटरव्यू में हम मिले थे.
Yes, and हमारे YouTube चैनल में 1 million followers भी हो. Yes. So we are very happy that you are over here, back with us, and I'm doing this conversation with you. Come to know about it recently when I was, doing my homework and my research. तभी मेरे को पता चला कि you are the golden girl of OTT.
Am
And
I?
yes, I am saying this. मैं दावा कर सकती हूँ because every show that you have done, be it ताज़ा खबर, Guilty Minds, Broken News, कोई भी show, they are successful. They are a hit with the crowd. People love it, touch wood, and they love it so much that they demand for the second season.
Producers, क्या आप सुन रहे हैं? I think it's so boring to just be one version of yourself, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, I'm not just Shreya. I get to be Shreya, a lawyer. I get to be,
Yes.
Shreya as Sweetie, Shreya as a journalist. I get to do so many different things in one lifetime. And that is what makes acting so much fun. But as an actor, as actors, we branch out in so many different ways, right? I have a lot of respect for content creators because I don't think it's easy at all.
Absolutely.
And I feel like so many of them have also branched out into different directions. Is like my own personal archive, a digital scrapbook. I don't stress about it. I know a lot of people feel stressed about it, but I don't have like a digital team or anything. If I'm getting ready, I want to make videos, pictures for work. That's one aspect of it. When I'm traveling, I genuinely love to take videos and sort of, have fun with it.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee. Actually, Namaste Darshako. मैं हूँ Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Not So Mainstream, streaming only and exclusively on Pop Diaries channel. पहले तो मैं आपको बोलूँ, दिन थाम के बैठो, मैं भी बैठ रही हूँ. It's a turn of life. Turn of life in the sense कि मैं वहीं पे आ गई हूँ जहाँ से मैंने शुरू किया था. And I'm going to tell you why. She is my lucky charm. She's actually Pop Diaries का lucky charm. उनसे मैंने अपना पूरा career शुरू किया है. And it's a big thing because I have a lot of respect. I love her acting. I love the way she is on screen and even off screen. And the way she is so unapologetically herself. So without further ado, let me call upon the one and only, my and Pop Diaries ka lucky charm, the one and only Shreya Pilgaonkar.
Oh, what a sweet introduction.
Thank you.
But it's true. मैं हूँ Pop Diaries की lucky charm.
Absolutely.
आपकी first guest.
Yes.
I should get some stakes in this company, na? Huh, guys?
We will be talking about
I think after this, let's talk about it. Because
Yes.
congratulations, you guys have been
Thank you
doing
so
so
much.
well.
Thank
10 साल हो गए फैन की इंटरव्यू में हम मिले थे.
Yes, and हमारे YouTube चैनल में 1 million followers भी हो. Yes. So we are very happy that you are over here, back with us, and I'm doing this conversation with you.
It's my
I
pleasure.
have been wanting to, the moment I started Not So Mainstream, the first person I wanted to call upon was actually you, but you were shooting. And I have to say this, you're not just a lucky charm for Pop Diaries. I'm going to tell you one more thing. It's a very odd thing, but I've come to know about it recently when I was, doing my homework and my research. तभी मेरे को पता चला कि you are the golden girl of OTT.
Am
And
I?
yes, I am saying this. मैं दावा कर सकती हूँ because every show that you have done, be it ताज़ा खबर, Guilty Minds, Broken News, कोई भी show, they are successful. They are a hit with the crowd. People love it, touch wood, and they love it so much that they demand for the second season.
Producers, क्या आप सुन रहे हैं? मंजरी क्या कह रही है?
Please, सुनो. I mean, seriously. And in every series, I see you changing yourself and becoming someone else entirely. Because I have seen you ऐसे in person. We talk and everything. I know कि how you are. And completely a different avatar comes on screen. And that's why I love the work you do.
Thank you. But isn't that why we do what we do as actors? I think it's so boring to just be one version of yourself, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, I'm not just Shreya. I get to be Shreya, a lawyer. I get to be,
Yes.
Shreya as Sweetie, Shreya as a journalist. I get to do so many different things in one lifetime. And that is what makes acting so much fun. And in fact, the further you are from who you are as a person, the more exciting. You know, kabhi if I get to be a serial killer, how amazing would that be, right?
Oh my god.
Yeah. I think it's fun to watch actors on screen in parts that you don't normally expect them to be cast in.
Yeah.
And that is very exciting to me as an actor.
I love that fact because honestly, as an audience, if I know someone, that is because of my job. But
Yeah.
if I do know someone, I feel like agar they keep playing different shades of character,
Yeah.
it makes it makes it very fulfilling for me,
Yeah.
very creatively satisfying for me to actually watch that person again and again, and you just don't get bored of them because they're not doing what you actually stereotypically expect of them to do.
And I also think it's fun because I feel like when you get to play versatile characters, you also learn so much about yourself.
Yeah.
You know, you understand yourself better. And I always say this, I think my journey as an actor somewhere has parallelly running, you know, with my journey as a person, as a human being. There's been so much spiritual internal growth also. And the best part is, I feel like for any actor, empathy is such a big factor, you know, in what we do and how we're approaching our work. And it's just so much fun. Aaj utke lawyer ban gaye, aaj utke forensic scientist ban gaye, you know, kabhi kuch aur kar liya. So hopefully, you know, I'll keep getting different roles. And there's so much more I want to do, man. I think I still feel like a newcomer. And that's the best part.
And I have to give kudos to you, Shreya. I don't know if people out there know this very much, but if you go on her social media, you will see how beautiful it is. Like it's an all-rounder thing. She sings. She's actually very interested in music. She sings. She does theater. She's doing storytelling. She has a love and passion for storytelling. And I'm gonna tell you that she has a very beautiful creative sense.
Aww.
I know this because हमारा जो पहला interview था, I was completely new to this. I was afraid of cameras, and मैंने पता नहीं बहुत लंबे ऐसे वो questions बनाए थे, पर actually interview बहुत छोटा होना चाहिए था. And she was the one who actually kind of directed me कि किस तरह से करना है, कहाँ देखना है, कैसे करना है.
Did I?
Yes, and it was that is why I'm saying it, because you have a beautiful sense of how to direct someone, how to make sure to guide someone very beautifully. And us note pe I want to ask you, these days audience expects actors also to be social media content creators, to create content on their own pages that they can see them off screen and they can know them in a very different set of place as well. So do you agree to that, and is that why your social media is so vibrant with so many things that you're doing?
So honestly, I'm an actor, but as an actor, we're also, as actors, we branch out in so many different ways, right? I have a lot of respect for content creators because I don't think it's easy at all.
Absolutely.
And I feel like so many of them have also branched out into different directions. Social media for me, Manjari, to be very honest, is like my own personal archive, a digital scrapbook. I don't stress about it. I know a lot of people feel stressed about it, but I don't have like a digital team or anything. If I'm getting ready, I want to make videos, pictures for work. That's one aspect of it. When I'm traveling, I genuinely love to take videos and sort of, have fun with it. You'll see my dog a lot. You'll see my grandparents a lot on my social media. So I think it's me. And there's also brand work in it, because I feel like what happens is that in the film industry, it's very natural for people to start stereotyping you.
Yes.
And, to box you. And my social media is my way to show people a different facet to me. So I haven't done too much work on screen, which is very glamorous. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I feel like through my social media, people get to see a different side of me also. That, hey, I can do this. I can pull off this. I can also look a certain way. And it helps you get a sense of your personality. So my social media is more from that point of view. And yes, some of it also helps with brand work, which I think is wonderful. It's an additional avenue to make money. And that's great as well. But I like to keep a balance of it. But I have still not reached a stage where, say, I'm vlogging or things like that. I mean, never know if I feel like doing it. But मैं तभी करूँगी जब मेरा actually मन करे. There's no pressure. Or I feel actors से ये expectation भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Some of the best actors in the world are not even on social media. So if
Yeah.
anyone is telling you that you need to have a certain number of following or you need a social media presence as a prerequisite, then I think that's misguiding someone.
Okay.
And I feel organic growth is always great. And yes, I do feel like a lot of times I notice that people do cast based on followers. But
Yes.
eventually in the long term game, it's going to be a skill that takes you.
True, very true.
You know, people
Yes.
will remember you for your roles. They may not remember you for your reels.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I agree with it because I feel ki there are actors out there who do so good work and they need to be recognized for that good work itself. But the market these days is very unpredictable.
Yeah.
So I want to know how you choose your content, because at the end of the day, it's a very, I mean, at the end of the day, OTT gives you a lot of space to, you know, discover yourself, discover the inner actor in you, try out different kinds of shades. But that, I feel, somehow is restricted on theatre, or in cinema actually. And I say this because, in example, there are certain characters which are not looked at very nicely if they are very grey or very dark in color. But you have done grey shades, red, green. Your characters have such vibrancy
Red,
in
green
them.
shades. What are red, green shades?
I mean, होता है ना red, क्या होता है
Red
वो?
shades.
Yeah,
Okay.
like they've got a lot of their own colors to it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
There's a lot of layering that happens, and there's a lot of complexity in those
Yeah.
characters as well. But still, in a way, वो हम accept कर लेते हैं because they are in OTT. You're allowed to, you know, discover yourself,
Yeah.
challenge yourself. But वही same चीज, I feel theatre में करना मुश्किल है because people will judge you. The Indian audience judges very
you think
quickly. Somehow I feel that.
Honestly, look, this is showbiz. The business of film is a different approach, and streaming platforms have a different approach. I think by the virtue of the time we get on OTT, the reason why you are able to, you say that there's that much scope is because actors get that much time. Everyone's a character.
Okay.
It's not necessarily in a typical hero, heroine, villain way. In OTT,
Acha.
everybody has that time and that graph to create
Acha,
an
okay.
arc for themselves.
Okay.
But obviously in 3 hours, 2.5 hours in a film, you're not going to have that much time. So that approach is different. As an actor, if you ask me, I want to do all of it. Of course, I want to do more film work as well, and I want to do work in OTT as well. But you can't compare the two mediums because that approach is different. The business of it is different. What is nice is that OTT has been a blessing for actors who may have been suppressed in a way because their talent was not highlighted earlier. So in fact, some of the incredible actors who were always working in film earlier got their due on OTT. Jaideep Ahlawat, for example, who's a dear friend of mine.
Yes.
उन्होंने कितना अच्छा काम पहले भी किया है. But through his journey of, you know, whether Paatal Lok, Broken News, you know, Pankaj ji, and so it really depends. I mean, if you have a film that really works and it's out there, then that's fine. But I don't think you can say, oh, films are better than OTT or OTT is better than film. They're just different mediums. I think what I don't like is when people tend to say box you or just say OTT actor, television actor, film actor. I think an actor is an actor
Absolutely.
at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And they should be looked at as just that.
Yeah, and I feel that somehow, I mean, I wouldn't say, but pandemic में वो चीज चला गया है. There's a
Yeah.
lot of, you know, acceptance, and people are actually looking at different, because of the coming of OTT so
Yeah.
heavily into
Yeah.
the life
Yeah.
of everyone. People are loving series also,
Yeah.
OTT movies also, and they want to see them on the big screen as well.
The best part
तो
is, you
चीज
know,
है.
even the audience has learned to identify good writing
Yes.
and values good writing and good content, and that helps everybody. See, when streaming platforms came in, it helped not just actors, it helped everybody. It helped technicians, people behind the camera, writers. There are so many wonderful women in the industry now at various positions of power, and that is so important.
Absolutely. Yeah.
The best part is that there's been scope to experiment, tell different stories, tell complex stories, and to really push the boundaries. And some people have done it and some people have not. तो हमेशा वो होगा ही. Right? Some people are still stuck in the same zone, or कुछ कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने कोशिश की है, and that effort has been appreciated. But the business of film is an entirely different business altogether. Those decisions are different. In my case, I feel like OTT has been able to help my film career because I got scope with Mirzapur, with Guilty Minds. I got more scope here. I don't know if I would have done films, what more, I don't know what more would have happened then, but now I'm getting offered film work because of the work that I've done in my OTT space. So it's the other way around that has helped me.
You're also very, should I say this, like pro-regionalistic? How should I name this? I don't know. But I've seen the work that you've done, and there's a lot of, regional movies and regional, wo bhi tarike se, you're
I've actually done one Marathi film only.
Yes.
Which was my debut film, Ekulti Ek. But besides that, I haven't done any Marathi film. I've done one Tamil Telugu film with Rana Daggubati. But I enjoy working in different languages. I mean, I've done a British series as well.
Exactly.
So,
and that is exactly I'm saying, that somehow when I look at your scope of work, it's just so wide to the audience. I mean, you're there in the region as well, regional movies, regional thing as well, and you're showing this side also, which is, I mean, you have no relations with Tamil and Telugu, but you're still doing South.
I mean, I have, besides that one film, I haven't had the opportunity to do more. I would just say that I've always liked working in different languages, and I was very clear, when I felt like, yes, this is what I want to do, I want to be an actor. Even before that, I was certain that no matter what profession I'm in, I want to be able to establish myself globally.
Wow.
And I think even as an actor, I'm very excited to work on international projects as well, because today that scope has also widened.
Yeah.
There's this cross-pollination of work happening, and there's, we have so many of our wonderful actors working there. You have talent from there working here. So it's just a wonderful melting pot right now. I did a French film right after Fan, with an Oscar-winning director, Close to You.
Yes.
And Jodhu Chatin was in it, who won the Academy Award for his performance in The Artist. I did a British series with Gurinder Chadha called Beecham House, which is on Netflix right now. So I think these were my little steps to just explore. So yes, that ambition is there, and I feel with time I've become even more ambitious, because you may not get everything you want at the time that you want it, but that doesn't mean you won't get it.
Wow.
You just have to be patient. हम क्या करते हैं, अगर कुछ workout नहीं होता, हम immediately respond कर देते हैं, अरे क्यों नहीं हुआ? पिक्चर तो प्ले करने दो, देखो तो सही आगे क्या हो रहा है. आप इंटरवल में ही निकल गए.
True.
So I think you need to wait for the story of your life to play out and not immediately react to everything that's not going in your favor. Because sometimes when something doesn't work out, it's because something else is actually working out.
Wow.
I mean, that's my approach to life in general. So ऐसे बहुत चीजें हुई हैं, मेरे 1-2 films जो shoot करके भी release नहीं हुई हैं. So of course दुख होता है. You're waiting for those projects to come.
Absolutely.
So it's not in your hands. But after feeling bad for, one day, 1 week, maybe 1 month, you have to then try to look at how else to create a path for yourself. You can't just wait.
True.
If actors decide to just sit and wait, फिर कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to keep creating new paths.
And creating new paths से याद आया, you don't go to these parties. You are not all about.
Go to parties?
I
do go to parties.
Yeah, but then वो जो showbiz का show वाला होता है.
Maybe I should be going now.
I'm asking that only. Do you not feel FOMO कि यार this is where projects are being introduced, this is where लोग बात कर रहे हैं उन projects के बारे में, casting भी हो जाती है बीच में.
नहीं, मुझे अगर कहीं बुलाया जाता है जहाँ मुझे जाना है, मैं बिल्कुल जाती हूँ. अगर शायद मैं कहीं नहीं हूँ because शायद मुझे वहाँ नहीं बुलाया गया है.
Okay.
So वो भी एक aspect है. I do think networking is important in any field. It could even in a corporate setup, not just in the film industry. But I wouldn't say networking without substance is also pointless. If you really don't have anything to bring to the table, and if it's just sort of pointless small talk, then I feel like it really doesn't go anywhere. But yeah, ऐसे नहीं है. I enjoy going out. I like to meet people. But maybe I'm not invited at those particular spaces, which is why I'm not there. So yeah, I'll make sure I'm invited now. Chalo.
Yes. Invite her. You're gonna miss out on a very terrific actor, yeah. What are you saying?
I don't have FOMO, but that's okay. Because look, I also feel like it's also important for people to seek you out. Sometimes it also works the other way around, you know. People are quick to say, oh, this particular actor's seen too much. That also goes against you. Sometimes it's nice to, I feel like it's nice to have a balance of also being there, but also, you know, you want people to miss you, want people to ask, oh, where is she? You wanna, you know, why Mirzapur mein I still feel like logon ne itna pyar kyun diya Sweetie Gupta ke character ko is because they also missed
That
her.
is actually very true.
You know?
Yes.
Yes. So I think the death of that character got her more love rather than maybe an arc, maybe in the second season that wouldn't have had justice.
I think I was talking with Ali and he told me that, you know, the reason why we are all missing Sweetie is also because it's a character that is supposed to be missed. Yeah. And I think that's a very beautiful thing. When you're missing a character from a place where they have been before, it shows a lot the kind of impact that you have created as an actor.
No, and I'd rather be missed than people say that, oh my God, we are seeing too much.
That is, there's a very thin line.
There is a very thin line.
Yeah.
And, you know, I just feel like no matter what you do, there'll always be a set of people who will give you reasons for not doing it. You're out there too much, or don't be out there too much. You're not out there that much, or why aren't you out there that much?
Exactly.
So I just feel like at the end of the day, you got to do what feels real to you. And eventually, there's no strategy to making it in showbiz. It's talent and it's luck also, and it's hard work also. You need all these three. If you just say it's only talent, that's not true, because there's something like a divine timing which helps a lot. आप कितनी भी मेहनत कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर तभी कुछ नहीं होना है तो वो नहीं होगा, और अगर कुछ होना है तो वो होकर ही रहेगा, and that's the fact of it.
And is cheese pie, I want to say two things. So first, I want to know, you said that you wanted to always establish yourself globally.
Yeah.
And you were a part of the jury of the Indian Film Festival of LA, right?
Yes. IFLA.
Yeah.
Good job. You got the name right.
Yeah. And I want to know, what is that experience like? Because I've never sit down with someone who's been a jury.
It was amazing. I mean, it was incredible. You know, we spoke about direction. Before I started acting, I was also making short films. I was directing music videos and, you know, documentaries and stuff like that. So it's always been a passion, a dream to tell my own stories, and hopefully someday I'd also love to direct. It's something that I've always wanted to do. So I had the honor of being on the short film jury at the Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles, which was amazing, you know, meeting these wonderful writers, directors in LA, and I was just so inspired. And I genuinely love to watch films. It's not just like a pointless thing where you're going, clicking pictures and going back home. I see a lot of actors do that. They'll say, we love films, and then, you know, they're not going to watch a single film at a film festival. They'll take red carpet images and they'll leave. But I can proudly say that I genuinely like watching films. So even at the Mumbai Film Festival, for so many years, in fact, before I started acting, I'd made a short documentary called Dresswala, which was an official selection at the Mumbai Film Festival under the Mumbai Dimensions category, short film category.
I think I've heard of this. That time we weren't a part of the Mami thing.
Yeah, so I had my film there, and full circle, last year I was on the jury of the same category at Mami.
Wow.
So for me, that was such a special feeling, truly, you know.
Wow.
So this is inspiring me, because I also feel, Manjari, that, I mean, there's so much I want to do as an actor. Sometimes it's difficult to attract certain paths for whatever reason, you know. And then you do feel like you want some creative control about what you want to do, and you can just hope and try to create those paths, maybe with people or for yourself. So let's see what efforts I make in that direction, but I'm excited to sort of explore that aspect also.
I really do hope that you do.
Yeah.
Because every time that I meet you, I feel like there is this innate, there's a director inside you, which is like really waiting to just happen.
No, but I want
to
to,
this
it's not,
industry.
what happens is, I feel like the minute you also start directing, then people will think that, oh, you don't want to act, or I feel like these are assumptions that are very common.
Yeah.
As an actor, I'm so hungry to do so much more. I'm dying to do a beautiful love story. I'm dying to dance on screen. I'm dying to do something more cinematic, because a lot of my work that I've done, which has also got a lot of love, and I'm very grateful, but it's been stories rooted in reality.
Absolutely.
Right? So for me and for my audience, I think it would be so fun to see me in a different landscape. तो मुझे वो करना है, and उसमें भी एक अलग मजा है, and you can do it all.
Do you have your choice of directors for that?
Well, there are some directors, बहुत directors
I really
हैं,
wanted to do a film with Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
so manifest it for me.
Manifesting
do a
it.
film.
This is a manifesting couch.
Yes, it will sound amazing, Shreya Pilgaonkar in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film.
Because
That's
that
what
is
we
going
want.
to be very glamorous, and the kind of actor that you are, he's going to fall in love with the way how you act it out.
Sanjay sir. No, but I'll tell you what, I'm a trained Kathak dancer, but I have
Oh
not
my
been
God.
able to showcase that yet. So my team is like, reels dal do. I said, ठीक है वो तो है ही, but I would love to sort of explore that aspect screen पे. And I love it when you play a character where your entire look is transformed. So Madhu's character in Taza Khabar, the first season, she's a
Yes.
sex worker.
Yes.
So imagine मैं जब उसी साल में Guilty Minds आया था, I was a lawyer and I got to be in sort of that zone of a sex worker.
Wow.
It was a very different vibe for me. And I love it when people say, we didn't recognize you. I love it. That's a compliment.
Yeah.
Or if they say, oh, dialect. During Mirzapur, people thought मैं वहीं से थी, and that I'm not a Maharashtrian. And I'm like, that's amazing.
Wow.
And my father's really inspired me in all of this. It's his
Of course.
60th year in the film industry. He's done more than 200 films in so many different languages.
Yes.
And वो हमेशा कहते हैं कि आपकी ज़बान से पता नहीं चलना चाहिए आप कहाँ से हैं, because that's the canvas you have to come with as an actor.
For a very, very long time, I used to think he's a Bengali.
See? Isn't that amazing?
I actually said this to him. I told him, I met him for a
Yeah.
Hotstar interview, and I
Because
sang
of his
for
cheeks.
him.
Bengali cheeks.
I don't know. I think it's because of the whole look and the way how he is,
yeah.
the creativity and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
I instantly thought he's Bengali.
He's a
and I-
Bengali creative होता है क्या?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं Sorry, ऐसा नहीं
बांग्ला creativity.
हाँ मैं थोड़ी सी ऐसे पहले ही मुझे लगता है कि जिन लोग म्यूजिक में हैं and they are also very creatively in direction, the movies, ये वो सब में रहते हैं, literature.
Yeah.
तो I feel कि यार मे भी शायद इनका वैसा कोई टच रहा
Actually,
होगा.
Maharashtrian art, culture, films,
It's very beautiful.
stories.
मैं यहाँ
some
रहती
of
हूँ
the
इसलिए
biggest
मुझे पता है.
writers, पुला देशपांडे से लेके कितने सारे हमारे poetry, literature, इतना rich है. So somewhere I think when you ask me where does my love for being in front of the camera and behind it and trying different things it comes from observing my parents, because उन्होंने इतनी सारी चीजों को explore किया है. Of course उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छे level पे किया है. मैं तो touch base करके explore करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. But the hope is eventually also to try and really branch out, because you have to show up for yourself as an actor.
True.
While you have your people and your teams with you, everyone's solo on this journey.
Absolutely.
Right?
I completely agree with
And
that.
you have to show up for yourself. Because if you don't believe and show up for yourself and respect yourself, others are not going to do that. And I truly, truly believe that, they are going to reflect the energy that you give.
And I think I've realized this. The exact point
Yeah.
I've realized it lately,
Yeah.
in my life as well. That somehow, if I'm not kind of, being there and telling people about my work and how
Yeah.
much I love it and how much I am really putting it out there,
Yeah.
then I don't think people are going to actually, respect my work
Yeah.
as well.
I don't think that one can just rely to get on others to get the job done. At least I'm not like that. I feel it's important to really be involved. And I don't mean in terms of just like hustling. I mean genuinely to do your best to understand how is it that I can go about achieving all that I want to do, even if it takes time. Because you can't let social media define the momentum of your life. Some things can happen for some people in a month, for some it can be in 10 years. But that doesn't mean you won't get to where you want to go. Half the people lose the battle, Manjari, because they're too busy looking at others' lives. They're
That's
too
very-
busy entangled in
very
other
true.
people's lives that they're not looking at their own lives. वो खुद के साथ वक्त ही नहीं बिता रहे, दूसरों का देख कर स्टोरीज देख के उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. आप अपनी जिंदगी को कब टाइम दोगे? So I just feel be selfish for yourself and your time, na? Take inspiration from others, but
And I have to tell you, Shreya was the first one जिसने मेरे को pandemic में बोला था. We were doing a Zoom interview, and she told me that take a break. Take a break for yourself. You're getting a chance. Take a break. You've been doing this since a very long time.
हमने
now.
कब बातें की थी मुझे याद भी नहीं है. मैं क्यों आपको ज्ञान दे रही हूँ take a break?
But you were right.
Yeah.
And I did take a break, and I really kind of liked it. I
Yeah.
didn't understand it.
Yeah.
But I somehow it came like a knocking to me,
Yeah.
and I realized after that conversation, in some days, after that,
Yeah.
that I was doing too much of this, and I was getting burned out.
Exactly. And firstly, it's an absolute position of privilege when you can take a break. Firstly. And as creative people, हम अपनी energy हमेशा बाहर देते हैं. I feel sometimes you have to take a few steps back to also learn, to internalize, to just be, to refresh, to re-energize, so you can come back with a stronger force. And by that, I don't mean हमेशा international travel करो या कहीं जाओ. It can just be a mental break for some time. Because I think a lot of people glorify like this constant hustling toxic culture, which is like
Absolutely.
don't rest, work.
Right.
Of course work is important. You have to understand when to rest, but why do we sleep? It's a break for our body. You just need a bit of that break, I feel, even if it is for a day. Find whatever it is in that day to just unwind. So some days I can't manage that, but then I realize the days I can, it helps me. So stuff like traveling, मैं तो 2 दिनों के लिए पहाड़ भी जाके आती हूँ sometimes after a shoot. I need to do that. Because as an actor, what is it? It's life, right? I'm
Absolutely.
observing, I am sort of internalizing things. So that is my way to replenish myself. So I do think sometimes it's important to take a break.
Wow.
If you have the privilege of taking a break.
Obviously.
Yeah.
And I agree with you on that part. I definitely do.
People feel guilty.
Exactly.
I'm like, क्या आगे मतलब
I
आपको
have an
खुद पे
example.
उतना ट्रस्ट नहीं है, आपको खुद पे उतना ट्रस्ट नहीं है कि आप 2 मिनट पानी पीने के लिए रुक जाओगे तो कोई और आगे, मतलब that means you don't trust yourself.
Exactly. And people feel guilty, and the people who can't take a break, I don't know why I'm saying this. It sounds like I'm complaining, but I have been through that. Ki when I am taking a break and people come to know about it somehow, they tell me, वाह तेरी तो जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी है, तू तो ब्रेक पे जा रही है. And then I start feeling guilty.
You should think, हाँ है इसलिए जा रही हूँ. हाँ है, 5 मिनट में रेस्ट नहीं कर सकती. 5 मिनट मुझे लिटिल हार्ट्स खाने दो. हाँ.
Little Heart needs to give me
I
sponsorship.
know.
Oh.
But see, people say that to you. Do they?
They do. They actually do.
But you know what? Maybe I also understand that point of view because I know a
Yeah.
lot of people who don't have the luxury of taking a break.
Exactly.
तो मैं इस तरह से फ्रेज करना चाहूंगी कि अगर आपके पास वो लग्जरी है तो ब्रेक लेना बुरी बात नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत लोग हैं जिनके पास वो लग्जरी नहीं होती. So I understand, but I don't think you should feel guilty. It's like saying then if you have the money, don't go abroad because no one else can. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
तो वो वाला चीज है. But coming back to movies, I was talking about manifestation. तो वो तो manifest में कर ही रही हूँ.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
चलो अच्छा.
Because I really want to see it. I don't know why. It just came. It was a thought that
But
came into
you're
my
not
mind.
the first person to tell that to me, so I'm very happy. I like it when people who love me manifest things. So I think the universe will listen much more louder.
Yes, absolutely. But you have already made one manifestation come true.
Which is?
वो सब actors का होता है, and that is working with the Shah Rukh Khan. I say the because he
Of course.
is the avatar.
It's correct.
Yeah, and I think somehow I have this very, I don't know, I don't even know why I love him so much. I just do. And when we connected for the first time, that was our biggest connection, the
Yeah.
love for Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
And I want to know, you have made one thing come true, which a lot of people are still dreaming about manifesting in their life. इस couch पे बैठ के ही बहुत लोग करके गए हैं. तो मुझे ये जानना है कि what is it like? What have you taken that one thing that you've taken from him? Because people, you know, when they come in connection, उन लोग मुझे हमेशा बोलते हैं कि यार कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. And वो ना जिंदगी भर रह जाता है.
course.
So what was that thing for you?
It's so funny, after so many years, the fact that we're still talking about this just goes to show the impact that somebody like Shah Rukh Khan has made on so many people's lives.
Absolutely.
I feel so fortunate I got to do fan with him. And what sucks though is that even though I was his love interest in the film, my character was friend zoning him. And I remember telling him that I'm feeling so bad that I have to friend zone you in this film, you know, I wish we had a song. But everything that people have to say about him is true. It's true that he's such a charmer. It's true that he's so intelligent. It's true that he's so present. And there is a certain gentle calmness and there's this magnetic aura that he has. He makes you feel like you're the most special and the most important person when he is speaking to you. And that is the most important quality. You know, there are some people, when you speak to them and you look into their eyes, you can tell that they're not really here. वो कुछ और सोच रहे हैं. इसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगी? अच्छा उसने ये बोला था. But right now, for example, when I'm sitting with you on this couch, you're the most important thing to me right now. I'm giving you my 100% attention. And this is something that I observed when I worked with him. And I think just being so grounded and in spite of being a star, to have that innate quality to want to be better, to want to learn, to want to keep working on yourself. That is so important because it's so easy to just be complacent and be like, "Arey, ho gaya na, I'm a star. What more? How much more further can you go?" And that's just one of him. There'll always just be one of him. And it gives me goosebumps to think that in his filmography, it'll be written that Shreya Pragankar was opposite him in Fan. And for me, this is always a special, memory. In fact, एक video है तब Fan के promotions में उन्होंने someone asked him about me और उन्होंने इतनी sweet बातें की. ज़रूरत नहीं थी for him to say it, but he said it. So he's just really wonderful. I haven't really met him in so many years now, actually. So, Shah Rukh sir, hi, if you see this.
Please, you should.
He's amazing, yeah. I mean, sometimes I randomly have a flash of that experience. I'm like, wow, I did that. That was amazing.
I think you should keep it for the days when, because I feel that these days are also there in everyone's life, and those are the days where people feel down.
Of course.
About themselves because of the world around them. Of course. So I hope that you keep those memories for those days.
Totally, yeah. Because look, I mean, good days, bad days, challenges, वो तो सबके साथ ही होता है. I mean, the life that people portray on Instagram is one aspect of the life that people are living,
Yeah.
So I feel like the good days, bad days, all of them will come and go, but it's important to also just find moments of lightness through it all. Everything does not have to be one big catastrophic experience. It doesn't have to be one life-changing, bas sab kuch nahi hone wala kind of an experience. So in these moments of self-doubt, you go back to times when things have worked out and you have to do your best to trust that it will happen.
Okay.
और मुझे ना कभी-कभी मजा आता है. अगर कुछ workout नहीं हुआ तो मुझे लगता है, oh, it's not worked out. Oh, मतलब क्या कहानी है? क्या होने वाला है? Okay. इसने बोला नहीं, इसने नहीं लिया फिल्म में. Okay. अब क्या होगा? Interesting.
Oh God.
Because जब लोग, especially, I've had some experiences when some people have underestimated me. मैं चुप रही said, time will tell, my friend. Actions will tell, work will tell, time will tell. Words से नहीं.
I am surprised. Who are these people?
No.
I am surprised.
No, I'm saying maybe when a project hasn't worked out or something like that, right? ऐसा होता रहता है. There are things when they don't work out very easily. And in those situations, instead of wondering, or if your ego gets hurt, in those times I tell myself, okay, in time काम से ही वो जवाब दिया जाएगा, या काम से ही हम कुछ कर पाएंगे, rather than with words.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
And on that note, I want to ask you, ये जो balanced है ना, the whole mentality, the whole
हमेशा नहीं
mindset.
होती.
Obviously.
हाँ. If you think it हमेशा ऐसा है, of course नहीं.
नहीं.
कोशिश ये है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
exactly. But this whole mindset of trying to be completely balanced in life,
Yeah.
so that we can live a good life.
Right.
At the end of the day, that's the goal.
Yes.
So, where does this come from? Is it because of your innate love for Bappa and the fact that you do believe in God? Because for some people, that is the case.
Life is too fragile. And I want to be able to live in a wholesome way. And by live, I mean अच्छा खाना enjoy करो, लोगों से बातें enjoy करो. ये भी तो moments हैं. हमेशा सब achievement की खुशियाँ हमेशा नहीं होती हैं. मैं शूट उतना ही enjoy करती हूँ जितना बैठकर दोस्तों के साथ बातें करना, you know. And I never want to attach my self-worth and happiness only to work, because sometimes that's not in your hands.
True.
मतलब
Right.
if projects are not working तो मैं बैठ के सिर्फ दुखी हो जाऊं, ऐसे नहीं पॉसिबल है. सो मेरी कोशिश ये रहती है, because especially after COVID, I think somewhere this mindset has shifted more, because we just you saw the fragility of life around you.
Yeah.
Our generation saw it really closely through that
Exactly.
entire episode. I also think this attitude comes because of my parents. I have seen the way they have handled their career. And मुझे लंबी रेस का घोड़ा बनना है. I want to act all my life for 60, 70 years. I don't look at my career as 5 years and 10 years. I want to act all my life. And if I want to survive and sustain myself as an actor all my life, I can only do that if I try and have a balanced approach where I'm grounded. कि थोड़ा ओढ़ो पर वापस आ जाओ, थोड़ा ओढ़ो वापस आ जाओ. You know?
Yeah, I understand.
That is very important.
That's very true.
1-2 साल के wins are short term. I have a long term vision for myself. So that's what we should be sitting on this couch even when I'm 70. You know?
I don't know if you would have said ना श्रेया कि मैं ये 5-10 साल करूंगी and then I will go into direction, तो मैं सीधा ऐसे liberty लेके बोलती हूँ on camera कि
मैं
no.
सब कुछ करना चाहती हूँ. ऐसा क्यों है? Why? Especially women should not be expected. Today, Konkana Sen Sharma is doing both. You have
Exactly.
Priyanka, Alia producing, acting, everything. So we have that space right now, and it's great to see examples of women like exploring these diverse paths. So short-term disappointments, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि वो मुझे बहुत अफेक्ट ना करें. Yes, होती है अफेक्ट, and sometimes it's important for something to make you a little angry or to challenge you, because then it helps you push yourself more. तो अगर आपको कोई चीज पोक कर रही है तो वो अच्छी बात है. ये मोटिवेशनल टॉक हो रहा है हमारा, छोड़ो. Let it be.
I don't know how you come to know, but मेरा actually next यही था.
क्या?
I wanted to actually approach that subject where I wanted to ask you, as I said in the introduction as well, you're someone just from the first time I met you, I got this thing across from you and your personality that you're very unapologetically yourself. And you won't change that no matter where you are in life and everything. And that's beautiful. Because people do change when they come into the showbiz industry as well. But that is a different aspect of it.
But I mean, I don't know any other way, because I think the best way to be different is to be yourself. And why should I be a second-rate version of someone else when I can be the number one version of me? And if you see Manjari, some of the people who have entertained us, who we enjoy watching, मतलब आप उर्फी कहें, औरी कहें, ये क्यों हमें entertaining, exciting लगते हैं? Because they have created something unique for themselves and they are
True.
unapologetically themselves. Rakhi Sawant, I love her. You know what I'm saying?
Me too.
कि वो बस वो ही एक हैं.
हाँ, exactly.
So I don't want to be like anyone. I want people to say there's just one Shreya, you know. So in that sense, then don't try and be like anybody else, because you don't want to be copies, right? A lot of people today, I feel like they're also start looking like each other. You can't tell people
Are you
apart.
realizing?
I feel,
yes,
I
yes,
feel
yes,
that.
yes. I too.
So उसमें फिर what's the fun, you know,
Right, exactly.
in that? Yeah.
And I keep saying this to everyone that I love when there is authenticity in someone's personality. Like just be whatever you are and be it unapologetically.
Yeah,
it's
and
fine.
also क्या होता है कि today see actors ना थोड़े आजकल घबरा भी गए हैं because everything is in such a sensitive space. आप कुछ कह देते हैं फिर trolls और फिर आपको पहले जिस तरह से freely interviews दिए जाते थे ना उतने होते नहीं हैं. You must have noticed even SRK spoke about it, right?
Yes.
Like we all want to always be super honest, but it becomes difficult because in a digital age things can be misconstrued.
Exactly.
They can be
the context is lost.
Context is lost.
Exactly.
So that I would say is the only thing. But otherwise, I think it's fun to just sometimes just don't take yourself that seriously all the time. It's okay.
I hope people understand this. Please, if you're watching it, understand. It's okay to just be yourself and just kind of give your opinions and then done with it.
Yeah.
हो गया, खत्म वहीं पे.
Once somebody told me that Shreya, be a little more of a diva. Go on set, just don't talk to anybody. Don't talk to anybody. Just go. Just be a diva and like don't be so approachable. I said, well, there's a difference between being approachable and making yourself easily accessible. You know what I'm saying?
Understood.
There is
Yes.
a thin line.
Yes.
And if being on time, if giving someone respect is being approachable, then I will be approachable. You know?
Don't be a diva.
Next time I'm coming and I'm just not acknowledging you. I'm not going to acknowledge you. I'm like, who
I will start crying. But as I was actually going to ask you is, but you said it yourself only that right now in this industry, I will actually give my context first because when we entered into the media industry, you know, me and my sister Pallavi, we had a very male-dominated media industry at that time. There were very few women entrepreneurs out there or women who were at a, very good, they were at par with the men in the industry. And we were kind of, कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा, वो नहीं कर पाओगे तुम, ये हम कर देते हैं आपके लिए. So this was the connotation. They wanted to support us, but they wanted to show it in a way that we are doing it for you. In that sense, because you can't do it yourself. So has this ever happened with you when you entered the industry and you were kind of, underestimated, not because of your talent or anything, but because of the factor that you were a woman?
I've actually been really fortunate to be on sets or play characters which have been empowered, and also on sets where there have been women in different roles. So, मैंने personally ऐसा experience नहीं किया है, but I feel like in the process as an actor ऐसा बहुत बार होता है जहाँ पे you are made to feel like, oh, don't be too intimidating, oh, don't be a certain way, oh, if you speak like, if you act like you know a lot, they may get threatened. I mean, that's a very weird sort of way to tell people things. I have honestly not had experiences like that. But I'm sure a lot of people have had those experiences. I have had many experiences where I've been taken for granted, thinking कि नहीं adjust कर लेगी, ये नहीं बोलेगी. तो कभी जब आप बहुत adjusting भी होते हैं तो लोग उसका भी फायदा उठाते हैं. And they end up taking people who throw tantrums more seriously than people who are accommodating. This is my problem. I have noticed this. This has happened to me a lot. Like as an actor, if I've been accommodating, that's been taken for granted, and then वो उसका फिर फायदा उठाया जाता है. Whereas if I've seen other actors who are throwing tantrums, then they're little wary कि अच्छा नहीं, let it be.
Yeah, that's a lot that happens.
That is a lot. So this also is a learning. Then you understand where to put your foot down, and you understand where you have to speak. And showing up for yourself also comes here. Pay parity के मामले में तो in all aspects of life in the world, there is a big difference. And it's great to see so many people talk about it now. I've also spoken about it, so I don't want to just repeat myself. But this very much exists in the film industry as well, where it's quite strong and out there. Like a man and a woman both in a same situation or sort of trajectory in life, the male actor tends to in a
Get more.
big margin be paid much more. But
That's
I do
true.
feel it's also
That's very
changing
true.
in some aspects, depending on the
Yes.
project. Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
depending on the project and the kind of because there was some conversation happening somewhere where a very top-notch celebrity and actor had said this. I don't remember the name. Somebody had said this, that it is because of the factor पहले ऐसा होता था was because of the factor that the actor used to tend to draw more audiences.
No, but that's fine. I'm saying
Yeah.
it depends what is the story. It is not pointlessly. I'm saying what is the story, who are the actors, what is the equity you're bringing it to the table, everything. But I'm saying even if two actors somewhere are, I've noticed it.
At par with each other when it comes to drawing.
Yeah, just generally that is the approach.
Okay.
But like I said, I do think things have changed, and it is important somewhere to people tend to look at you in a different way if you stand up for your worth, or especially if it comes to money. They may say, oh, you're difficult, but why not? You've worked hard for it. Without any arrogance, it's totally fine for you to fight for what you deserve.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I completely support that kind of fight. But on that note, this comes from a personal front.
Yeah.
Because we are living in a very, I would actually just plain call it the fearsome stage of life, where I am constantly feeling threatened. My parents are constantly in fear.
Really?
About the fact that I, as a girl, I'm working late at night.
Yeah.
If I'm traveling somewhere late at night, I have to, even in the morning actually these days, they are like, you take maximum amount of precautions and safety that you can. And I'm sure that be it a celebrity or not be a celebrity, there were a lot of actually comments somewhere where they were saying कि यार celebrities को कोई tension नहीं है, उनके साथ हमेशा bodyguards रहते हैं, उनके साथ हमेशा, but they are not always safe.
No.
They are also in a very vulnerable space as well at times, and they are also threatened about their safety with the kind of technology that we have these days. They are also in a very unsafe space. So I want to know, as a woman to another woman, why do you think that this constant state of fear that we're living in is just going on and on? We talk about it, then we stop, but it doesn't stop the crimes that are happening.
Now, this is a very larger, it's a very huge discussion and conversation. But I will say at the end of it, it all comes down to, it's not about telling the women when to leave their house, when to return home, what to wear. It's about making sure that the men also know how to respect women.
Absolutely.
That is very important. And especially in the film industry, what's nice is recently I was on a set where they had a separate body for like any grievances relating to, in case you face any sexual harassment or if you're uncomfortable as a woman, there's like a body there are certain people you can get in touch with.
Wow.
So some sets have also started doing that because you may not be comfortable telling the director, producer, your co-actors.
Yeah.
So these small steps are being made. I also feel like ये कलयुग है यार, मतलब what I'll be lying to you if I say I hope things get better, but until and unless the system, the justice system and laws are not strict, we need the harshest punishment. The more justice is delayed, what is the precedent that we're setting?
Absolutely.
When on parole, people are out on parole so casually, these are the same people who are repeat offenders, and casually using, casually making certain comments, even within a friend circle. These are all really starting points, and it happens at a very subliminal level.
Yeah.
So it's important to even call out people within your circle if there is discomfort there. But yeah, I mean, this just makes me very heavy because one can just hope that some sense comes into the world, but looking at what's happening in the world, I really don't think so, honestly.
Same here.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to lighter topics. For me, lighter topics
May I suggest this part of the discussion I don't add in the interview. I'll tell you why. Because there is no we've not discussed anything specific, but there is just, I तो have a cynical approach to it only. कि if you tell me, I don't think what ठीक हो जाएगा, लोग सुधरेंगे, लोग नहीं सुधरने वाले. You have to take care of yourself.
Yeah,
It's
people are
that.
not gonna
But
change.
I'm not
I have
sure
the
if
same
people are
approach.
ready to hear that. So I'm saying this will just be like a,
Okay.
so we'll avoid that.
No, okay. Good. So moving on to lighter topics. Actually, for me, lighter topic is talking about, are you single?
100% single.
Are you ready to get into a relationship?
I mean, if I meet someone incredible, if I'm charmed by someone amazing, then yes. But I am single right
and
now.
you're happy. Okay. You're happy with it.
I'm happy. I mean, I would love to meet somebody amazing, yes. But I'm in a great space right now.
Because people ask me the same question. And then
If I'm
they are
single.
like, वो भी मुझे पूछते हैं. मैं जिनके साथ भी बैठती हूँ पहला क्वेश्चन मेरे को यही पूछते हैं मेरे दोस्त, वो सिंगल है क्या?
But why are you made to feel bad if you're single?
No, basically I'm made to feel, I'm not made to feel bad.
Yeah.
I'm particularly made to feel weird about
Why?
the fact that I'm single for all my life. And I've never had an experience in any kind of relationship. So that is the weird thing for them.
Okay, but
Yeah.
then can I tell you something? I know somebody who met someone at a later stage in their life
Okay.
who has never been in any relationship,
Okay.
and that was the most beautiful thing that happened to them.
Wow.
So, okay, think about it this way. You missed 3-4 toxic relationships. You have skipped that part and now directly it's going to be amazing. Let's just say that.
God, I love her. I
I'm
love the
giving
way
you
she's
a positive spin. मैं मतलब देखने का नज़ारा है. But I feel you learn a lot through relationships also. But it's better to be in something at this stage. I would say you then tell yourself that you missed all the toxic relationships. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell yourself that.
I'm going to tell myself that only.
Yeah.
But I want to know, in this modern dating time,
Yeah.
okay, what kind of partner are you looking for? That's my main question.
You know, I have never been on a dating app. So I feel like I don't know how. I love listening to stories about like dating apps and stuff like that. I have been in relationships, but they've happened organically, old school way. So I don't understand the dating app, sort of all of those stages. I'm not close to it, but I'm yet to sort of explore that. So I
Okay.
don't know. I'm an old school lover. I'm an old school romantic.
बस old school चीजें करो, letters लिखो.
वो मेरे लिए वो old school नहीं है. I love writing letters.
That's what I'm saying.
I love all of that. So I enjoy that. Your question was about what?
What kind of partner are you looking for? The kind of partner, because you just said, right, you would like to get into a relationship. So I'm just putting it out there in the world.
Relationship with a deserving and a good person, not
Yeah.
just relationship.
Yeah, exactly. So who's this deserving person?
He'll come. He'll come. And when he comes, I'm not going to shout it out. I
Okay.
think directly when there's a ring on the fingers, then the world will know. Or maybe
God.
not even then.
अरे नहीं, तभी बता देना.
You'll be invited. No, I'm genuinely single. Yeah.
Okay,
It's
cool.
not even for a change. I don't even have to lie about it, which is great. I'm enjoying the attention I get, but I'm genuinely single.
Okay, cool. That means she's getting attention. Nice.
I'm not giving any attention. I'm enjoying. I'm
Okay.
taking a break from all of
अरे
this.
बाप रे.
I want to be surprised.
You want
I
to be
feel-
surprised?
Yeah. I feel like I want to. I feel like my gut is telling me whatever will happen next is going to be the one for keeps. Is what my gut is telling me on this couch. I don't know
My
when
gut
it
is telling me that
She's blushing on my behalf. Why are you blushing?
I love listening to other love stories happening also.
I'm very sure. Next year's Ayo Manjari. ये साल जल्दी अभी बहुत ही मतलब मैं practical हो रही हूँ.
Okay.
Next year, directly you will enter Pop Diaries office with your
Me? I
better
no.
half. You don't
Don't manifest this for
You know,
me.
okay, no, I take it back. You don't want to meet anybody.
No. Manifest this for Pallavi.
For your sister.
Yeah.
Okay,
we are
done.
looking for her.
Okay.
Why
done.
am I putting it out there as
So
in
that's
that?
great. This is a manifesting couch, na?
So yeah.
ज़्यादा look करने से नहीं होता है. Let me tell you. Let that person also find you. Look करोगे ना तो you look the wrong way. I'm telling you.
She has no time to. itne time se she's letting them only find her. Now I actually want
Yeah.
her to look.
Yeah, you have to put
So,
it out
yeah.
there. And you know what? Just I feel sometimes yes, of course, every relationship has its. You have to find that beautiful balance with each other. But खुल के मांग के तो देखो. Whatever you want.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Basics भी मुश्किल होते हैं आजकल. तो
Absolutely.
basics
है खुल के मांग लेती हूँ. Okay, good, great. Actually, we are starting this new thing called Cough Stories.
Okay.
I think Cough Diaries.
हाँ.
Actually. So, do you have any such story which is a little spooky? They not necessarily have to be negative in nature, but something like spooky. कुछ ऐसा feel किया because you love traveling. And
Yeah.
apparently there are a lot of places which are like, you know, kind of
Actually,
haunted.
there is a story, but then it doesn't. I thought it was a ghost, but it's not.
Okay.
Is that valid?
It is valid because we recently had someone say the same thing.
So, what is the time? I'll quickly say this and then.
110.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So something really scary happened last year. Scary and then eventually funny, but then also a little sad.
Oh,
So I don't know if people are going to judge me for sharing this story or not, but I'll still tell you. So it was around 11:30. I went to bed early. My father was out and he was going to come back home late, and my mother was sleeping in her room, and my dog, who usually sleeps with me in my room, was sleeping in my parents' room.
okay.
And my room and my parents' room is on one side. There's the hall, and then the kitchen is on the other side. I'm sleeping, and around 11:30, I hear
Okay.
this thud.
Okay.
And I thought that maybe Jack, my dog, has thrown a ball. Then again, like, okay, that's strange. I thought फिर से उसने ball फेंका है. And then I was like, oh,
Okay.
okay, that's scary. I got up. I opened the living room door. And lights सारी बंद थी. सिर्फ kitchen की light on थी because हमारी help अभी भी she was packing up. And I'm in my hall and on my right hand side मैं देखती हूँ मेरे घर के अंदर with long silver hair in a white sari there is a lady crouched banging the door saying Pinky, Pinky, Pinky.
What?
And I saw her. मेरी बोलती बंद हो गई. And I said, am I imagining that there's a lady in my house? I crossed the living room and I went and I told my grandmother, I said, Raji, there's someone in the house. She said, what? I said, there's someone in the house. And I asked my house help and she said, no, who's there? So my grandmother, my house help, and I was slowly like walking and the lady's still there and I can't see her face. And I'm like, wait, this is not real. Are we imagining? Then as I approach her, suddenly another man enters my house and I realize it's my neighbor, his mom, who, oh God bless her, she had Alzheimer's or dementia or something like that, and she got lost and she entered my house.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And then we turned and said, Auntie, sorry, आप अलग घर में आए, and then we took her back in. But for that 1 second, Manjari,
Obviously.
I got a heart attack. I got a heart attack. And I'm telling you a toned down version of this story.
Oh
it's
God.
a longer version. And my dog didn't bark. Of all the days, my dog didn't bark that day. And I realized she accidentally entered the house because दरवाजा मेरा ठीक से बंद नहीं हुआ था. They thought तो बेचारी आंटी घर से accidentally निकल गई है.
But thank God for that because दरवाजा फिर बंद तो हो गया.
No, but also no, thank God कि she didn't get lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. My gosh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thankfully it's all okay. Now we know we have to make sure we lock our doors properly, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And before we go, what's next for you on store? Because fans always love to see you on screen in different avatars. What is next though?
I had Broken new season 2 release with Jaideep and Sonali, and now Taza Khabar season 2 is releasing. I think Mirzapur के बाद अगर कुछ सवाल पूछा गया है तो ये है कि ताजा खबर season 2 कब आएगा. And Bhuvan's amazing और मधु और वस्या की chemistry लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगी. So
True, very true.
season 2 is like so fun. There's a lot of action in it also.
Okay.
And we have Javed sir also with us this time, Javed Jafri. So I'm really looking forward to that. And because I want to focus more on film work also, I'm going to start shooting for a film in 2-3 months, which I'm also excited about. So yeah.
Can we know what genre that film is going to be in?
It's a romantic drama.
Nice.
Romantic drama.
Chalo, cool.
Dramedy नहीं बोलूंगी, romantic drama. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And I hope that she gets that Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
हो गया तो मतलब that'll be amazing. Yeah.
Then we'll become a lucky charm for her.
Well said. Well said.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shreya Pragaonkar. You're watching Pop Diaries. Like, share, subscribe.